Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL 408 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll in order to find button and gestures. Then we have to tap on System Navigation, and as you can see here we've got the option we're looking for. Before we will set it, a quick disclaimer about the buttons. If you'd like to stick to this option, you can customize it here, so you can reorder the back button and the resets. So first of all, let's tap on this Gesture Navigation option, and as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line, which is responsible for some gestures. I'll show you later on. First of all, let's enter the More, because here you can customize it. You've got the Gesture Navigation. After marking this option, instead of 1 line you will have 3 lines, which will be responsible for particular options, just like the 3 buttons navigation. So if you want to compromise between those options, then I highly recommend to use this option here. You can hide also the gesture line, and I prefer to have this option turned on. However, I cannot for some reason, but that's okay, we will have this line. Alright, so if you like to go back to the previous page, just swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, and when you will see this arrow you can release the finger and you will go back. The same situation from the right side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, then simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device. It should be a quick and short motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the motion, but it should be longer, and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see, after releasing, here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.